Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2008 Kawasaki VN900 Classic. This bike has got plenty of gear for touring on. It's got a little over 22,400 miles on it and is in mint condition. We'll take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. Like I said, this bike is in mint condition. Tires on it are in excellent shape. Got a nice tall wide windscreen on it. Comes with footboards for the driver and the passenger. It also has saddlebags with a matching seat and backrest. Rear tire also is in excellent shape. Seat, no rips, no tears. Tank, no dents, no scratches, no rock chips. And again, footboard for the passenger, footboard for the driver with the heel toe shifter setup. $22,419 is what's on this bike. This cruiser will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.